If you own a 911 GT3 or dreaming about one, you probably already know it's one of the most track-focused road cars on sale today. But Porsche and Manthey looked at the current 992.2 GT3 and basically said, we can still go faster. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Manthey kit for the 911 GT3 in detail. We will talk about the new aerodynamics, the coilover suspension, the forged wheels and brake upgrades, the accessories, the Nürburgring lap time, and when you can actually order this kit from Porsche. If you are searching for Manthey Kit 911 GT3, Manthey Racing Kit, or Manthey Performance Kit price, this is the deep dive you are looking for. What is the Manthey Kit and who is it for? Porsche offers the Manthey Kit as a factory-backed upgrade for the current 911 GT3, internal code 992.2. It is aimed at owners who spend serious time on track days and want more grip, more stability, and more confidence without turning their GT3 into a full race car. The Manthey Kit goes beyond the WISOC package. It focuses on three main areas: aerodynamics and downforce, suspension and mechanical grip, braking performance, and track durability. All of these components are developed jointly by Porsche engineers in WISOC and the Manthey team in Musepath, right next to the Nürburgring. The result is a package that feels like a factory car because it is, but with real Manthey racing DNA baked in. Manthey Kit price. What should you expect? Before I get into the aero and suspension, let me quickly talk about the question everybody types into Google. Manthey Performance Kit price. Porsche still hasn't published official US pricing for the new Manthey Kit on the updated 992.2 GT3, but we do have solid benchmarks. In Germany, the new kit is expected to start at just under 42,000 euros before wheels and taxes. For the outgoing 992.1 GT3, dealers have been charging about $59,450 for the kit itself in the US, with the matching lightweight wheel set adding roughly another $15,000. And Canadian dealers are asking a little over $71,000 Canadian for the kit and about $19,000 for the wheels. In other words, once you add the wheels, you are realistically looking at something in the low to mid $70,000 range before tax for a full Manthey setup, and the new 992.2 package is almost certainly going to land in the same neighborhood. Keep that ballpark figure in mind as we talk about what you actually get for the money. Aerodynamics. Up to 540 kilograms of downforce. Let us start with the headliner number because it is wild. With the Manthey Kit installed and in full circuit mode, the 911 GT3 generates up to 540 kilograms of downforce, which is about 1,190 pounds at 285 kph, or roughly 177 miles per hour. In road mode, which is still legal for the street, it produces 355 kilograms of downforce, or around 780 pounds, at the same speed. That means the Manthey Kit gives you race car levels of aero grip while keeping drag about the same as the standard GT3. Underbody and turning vanes. From the factory, the 911 GT3 already has serious aero, but Manthey goes much further. The entire underbody is treated as one continuous aerodynamic surface. The air deflector elements, often called turning vanes, have been extended to about 1.5 meters. That extra length helps pull the car into the pavement in a very efficient way. On top of that, the luggage compartment floor now has a cover, so the front underbody is completely smooth. Less turbulence, more stable airflow, more downforce. Front lip diffuser fins and side flaps. At the front of the 911 GT3 Manthey Kit, you get a redesigned lip spoiler that sticks out 12 millimeters farther than stock. Behind it, new front diffuser fins shape the airflow under the nose, and small flaps on the sides of the car help tie everything together. The end result is more downforce on the front axle, which means better turn-in and more confidence as you roll into high-speed corners. Wider rear wing with gurney and bigger end plates. Out back, the swan neck rear wing is one of the most visible pieces of the Manthey Kit. The wing itself is wider and now carries a gurney flap on the trailing edge. The end plates are larger and curved inward. That shape keeps the airflow attached and cleans up the wake behind the car. Combined with the diffuser changes, the Manthey Kit rear aero massively boosts rear axle downforce without adding drag. Carbon Aerodiscs on the rear wheels. One of the coolest details is the back wheels. The Manthey Kit includes carbon fiber Aerodiscs that cover the rear wheels. These discs smooth the airflow around the rotating wheels and cut drag. They are not just cosmetic. They are part of the overall aerodynamic concept. Between the underbody, the front aero, the rear wing, the diffuser, and these Aerodiscs, the Manthey Kit treats the whole 911 GT3 like a single integrated aero system. Suspension, 4-way adjustable coilovers. High downforce only works if the suspension can support it, so the Manthey Kit includes a special 4-way adjustable coilover suspension that Porsche and Manthey developed together specifically for the 992.2 GT3. You can independently adjust both rebound and and compression, and you can do it without any tools. That makes it much easier to tune the car for different circuits or conditions between sessions. Spring rates are revised, with the front axle about 10% stiffer compared with the previous generation Manthey Kit car. That matches the higher aerodynamic loads and keeps the body under control at very high speed. The goal here is not just stiffness for its own sake. The Manthey Kit suspension increases mechanical grip and makes the car more stable when you are riding curbs or dealing with bumps. It is designed so you can lean on the car harder lap after lap. Wheels, tires, and brakes. Porsche also offers optional forged wheels that pair perfectly with the Manthey Kit. They measure 20 inches up front and 21 inches at the rear, and they cut unsprung mass by about 6 kilograms, roughly 13 pounds total, compared with the standard wheels. Less unsprung weight means the suspension can react faster, which ties straight into grip and ride control on track. You can order these wheels in 3 finishes: brilliant silver, neodyme, and black with a satin gloss finish. From the braking side, the Manthey Kit includes braided steel lines as standard. Those lines give a firmer, more consistent pedal and very precise pressure buildup, which is exactly what you want when you're deep in the braking zone at the end of a long straight. If your GT3 has Porsche ceramic composite brakes, you can add special racing pads tailored to the Manthey Kit. These pads are built to handle the higher temperatures you see on track days and during long stints, so you can brake later and more often without the pedal going soft. Manthey Kit accessories and visual details. If you want your 911 GT3 Manthey Kit to look as serious as it drives, Porsche offers a full range of accessories. You can fit carbon door sill trims with illuminated Manthey lettering, LED door projectors that shine the Manthey logo on the ground, and optional Manthey script for the doors. These pieces make it very clear that this is a Manthey GT3, not just a standard car on track wheels. The carbon aero discs at the rear can be ordered in different colors, so you can match or contrast the body color. For circuit use, there are front and rear toe straps available in red, black, or yellow. They screw into the threaded mounting points on the car. Just remember they are intended for track use only, so they should be removed again before you drive on public roads. On top of that, you can add carbon fiber front air inlets and rear air inlets. Those pieces visually tie the Manthey Kit together and make the car look even more like a road-legal GT racer. Nürburgring Nordschleife lap time. Now let's talk about the place where the Manthey Kit really proves itself. The Nürburgring Nordschleife in Germany is Porsche's traditional test lap for sports cars and is literally in Manthey's backyard. With reigning DTM champion Johan Guven at the wheel, the 911 GT3 with Manthey Kit lapped a 20.8 kilometer, about 12.9 mile Nordschleife in an officially measured 6:52.981, and that was in less than ideal autumn conditions, with parts of the track still damp and slippery. Compared with the previous generation 992.1 GT3 fitted with the earlier Manthey Kit, the new car is 2.7 seconds quicker, and both cars ran on optional Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. The time was officially certified by a notary who was on site, so it is not just a marketing claim. Guven said that with the Manthey Kit, the GT3 felt noticeably better in the corners, easier to control, and that the extra downforce plus the optimized suspension gave him a lot more confidence at the limit. He also believes that with a fully dry track, they could go even faster. According to Manthey Racing boss Nicholas Rader, the team spent more than a year developing this Manthey Kit, doing detail work in the wind tunnel, and then testing over thousands of kilometers on European circuits, including many laps of the Nordschleife. They are already planning another official run in better conditions to show the full potential of the package. Availability and warranty. The big question is, when can you actually get the Manthey Kit for your own 911 GT3? Porsche expects the Manthey Kit for the 992.2 GT3 to be available from March 2026 through Porsche centers worldwide. The important part, especially if you are thinking about resale value, is that the factory warranty for the 911 GT3 remains fully intact when the Manthey Kit is installed. So you are not giving up Porsche warranty coverage to get this level of track performance. You get factory supported parts, Manthey Racing engineering, and a setup that has been validated at the Nürburgring. Who the Manthey Kit 911 GT3 is for. The Manthey Kit is for a very specific type of owner. If you just cruise your GT3 on weekends and maybe do one casual track day a year, this might be more than you need. But if you are chasing lap times, if you are running regular track days or time attack events, or you simply want your 911 GT3 to feel like a cup car that still has number plates, the Manthey Kit is exactly the bridge between road car and race car. You get huge gains in downforce without extra drag, a serious 4-way adjustable coilover setup, lighter forged wheels and stronger braking hardware, optional Porsche ceramic composite brakes, track pads, and a full menu of Manthey accessories. And you get it all with Porsche's stamp of approval. If you found this Manthey Kit breakdown helpful, hit the like button so other GT3 owners can find it. If you are researching the Manthey Kit for your own 911 GT3, let me know down in the comments what you drive and how often you are on the track. I will be replying and helping people think through whether the Manthey Performance Kit makes sense for their case. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.